Today's Tech Tuesday is in-cell graphing or charting. In-cell graphing is a trick that we use to create a quick visual representation of data without using the charting feature. I call it a trick because we're actually using a built-in function, which is a formula, to create this chart. So it wasn't designed for charting, but that's how we're going to use it today. To accomplish this, we're going to use the repeat function. Notice on the screen I already have my data charted in this table, units by region. I'm going to delete all of this information so we can start over. Okay. First, you want to click on the cell in which you want to create the formula. We're going to click on our function wizard up here, and we're going to use the function wizard because it will walk us through creating it. Search for function, we're going to type in REPT because that's the abbreviation for the repeat function, or the name of it. Notice it does show up on my most recently used, but I'm assuming it's not on yours, so I'm having you search for it. We want to click the Go button. Here's our repeat function. It's always good to double check and make sure, read the information about the function that it's going to perform the action that you're anticipating. Click OK. This opens our functions argument box, and we're going to use this. That way we don't have to remember all those little special characters that need to be in there, such as quotation marks and commas and parentheses and stuff. This will automatically add them for us. Okay, what text do you want to repeat? So we want to select a character to create our bar chart with. I suggest using the vertical bar or a capital I, although it could be any character. Come down here to the number of times text box. How many times do you want this character repeated? Well, we want it to match our units sold, so I'm going to click on cell B2. Notice I'm not going to type 30 in here because we could come up here and change this, and we want it to automatically update for us. Click your OK button, and there we have a chart or a bar. Now we want to repeat this for south, east, and west, and we could come up here and do the formula again for each one of these. However, if you double click the fill handle in the bottom right corner of the cell that already has the formula, it will automatically copy these to adjacent cells for you. And there we have a bar chart, complete chart to represent all of our units sold. I did change mine to a size 4 font, and something this small is not on your drop down, so you would have to type it in. And I chose something small so it looks more like a bar, and it will take up less space going across the columns, especially if you had a large number like 700 or 300 or something like that. So this is one of my favorite tips. I hope you all enjoyed it.